Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make pork chop with garlic honey sauce. So in today's cooking, I'm gonna use air fryer instead of pan fry or oven. So for ingredients, let's check down below. For the garlic honey sauce, what you guys need is 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then 3 cloves of garlic. And then for the pork chop, I'm gonna season it with cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. So now let's get good cooking. First thing that you want to do, you want to preheat your air fryer. So I'm going to preheat it for about 380 degrees, and I'm going to preheat it for about 10 minutes. So just let it be. And now I'm going to season the pork. When you have the fat on the outer side of the pork chop, to make the pork chop stay flat, usually I just score or just cut the fat just like that. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. It's completely up to you. And just like that. So for the seasoning, I'm going to use salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne. And then use your hand, just rub this. And then we're gonna flip it and do the same thing on the other side. When your air fryer's done preheating, so you want to put your pork chop in, and then for the settings, it's going to be 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. I'm going to put at 12. When you have 5 minutes left, just flip your pork chop and then let it continue cooking for another 5 minutes. When your air fryer is done, just simply take it out. I'm gonna rest it for a little bit. While I'm resting the meat, I'm gonna make the sauce. So for the sauce, we're gonna use saucepan. Use medium-high heat. I'm going to use butter, but if you don't have butter, you can use regular oil or olive oil or vegetable oil. But in my opinion, butter is more flavorful. So we're going to wait until the butter melted. When the butter is completely melted, now you want to add your chopped garlic. Let it cook until the garlic became fragrant. Takes about 45 seconds to a minute stop, and then when the garlics became aromatic, you add vinegar, fish sauce, and honey. Just mix them up. After it became bubbly like this, I'm gonna lower the heat to low heat, and I'm gonna simmer it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, everything is done. I'm gonna cool this down, and I'm gonna put it or transfer it to a bowl. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the sauce. So honey garlic sauce. Now we're gonna bring our pork chop and then we're gonna give it a try. So I removed the bone completely, so I'm gonna cut this. As you can see, all the juice is still there. It's still juicy. It's not dry. So now we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna give it a try. So we're back up top, gonna give it a try. Our pork chop. First, I'm gonna give it a try without the sauce. The pork is still tender, it's still juicy, it's not dry at all. So now, it really depends the thickness of your pork chop. You might want to adjust the temperatures or the well, yeah. Usually, the more thick is your pork chop, probably you need 400 degrees. So it's all depend on your thickness of your pork chop, and the time also is always depend the thickness of your pork chop. Now, if you have the temperatures, or I mean thermometers, you want to check the internal temperature for pork chop has to be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't reach that temperature internally, maybe you need to cook it a little bit more longer. So we test this out and it reaches about 149, 150. So now, without the sauce, because there is cayenne pepper, it's really savory first of all. But you know, if you don't like spicy food, you can remove the cayenne pepper. I like with the cayenne pepper because usually cayenne pepper give you a little bit of kick. Yeah, and well, I like spicy food also, so it's really nice. It's really balanced. So now I'm gonna try with the honey. There you go, with garlic honey sauce. The sweetness from the sauce is really balanced the whole thing. So if you ask me, is it better with or without the sauce? In my opinion, it's better with the sauce. So yeah, it adds balance, it adds the savoriness. It's really tasty, it's really yummy. So now, once again, if you don't like spicy food, this honey garlic sauce is gonna cut off the spiciness on your pork chop. So give it a try. It's really good. It takes about 15 minutes to cook, and you know, it's very fast. If you don't have air fryers, you can use a pan fry. So just fry your pork chop, or even oven. That works also. So that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.